We're going to be swapping out a bad shutoff valve here. What's happening with this one is the actual valve itself on the inside is not doing anything. It just continuously spins, so the actual shutoff is not working. And we're going to go ahead and do some other work in here, and I need to get this thing here off and replaced. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to replace it with a quick connect Sharkbite. And what I have my crescent wrench all the way to the back, and I got me a little small pipe wrench. I'm just gonna go ahead and separate these two. I'm gonna put the crescent wrench all the way in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this whole piece. What I've done is I went ahead and just took all this off at one time. Typically, if you're gonna go ahead and save this supply line, you're gonna take that off first, but this thing's been shot, it's already gone. So I just took the whole piece off. And now I need to go ahead and take this ring and also this other part from this older valve off. What you're going to have left over once you've taken the front part of that valve off, you're going to have a ring. It's kind of like a gold washer here to seal the leak. And now what you're going to end up having after you ended up taking the front of this supply line off, you should have a washer, and then you should have the back to the actual housing of the actual shutoff valve. So at this point you should have a half-inch pipe for your supply line coming out of the wall. I want to see if I can avoid taking this wall border off to do this job. And now at this point it's pretty smooth. I don't think I need to sand it. I'm gonna go with the straight Sharkbite. All right. Best thing to do is first off take a look on the inside, make sure this piece here on the inside is not damaged or folded up at all, and get yourself set up. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Now again, to recap, what I did was I went ahead and I took off my old shutoff by basically putting a pipe wrench on the bigger back nut. Let me show you guys again, just in case. This thing's going to be assembled on that half-inch pipe like this. This separates. There's a gasket in between this one and this one. And you take the front part off, it slides off. You should have that gold ring. And you should have this back portion of the housing. And you slide that off. You should have a bare copper pipe. You're going to go ahead and at least give yourself about a 3/4 of an inch. Just play just to see if you need it. And you just want to go ahead and have enough pressure on the back of this pipe to slide this Sharkbite on. And once you do that, you should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I can hear the air. And when I seal it, it's airtight. So we know that this thing is working properly. We're gonna go ahead and get a supply line and hook it back up to the toilet. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here and shoot back up to the roof and start on the other project.